Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to capture slow motion video in your Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to tap on the camera, then friends you have to click on the more button, and then you will see here it is slow-mo. Just tap on the slow-mo and you can see this is how you can create the video. Then just press on this and slow motion is ready, and you can see this is how you can just make a video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.